In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the sidebar in Figma. If you've ever wanted more room to focus on your design or present a cleaner canvas, hiding the left sidebar can make a big difference. Let's walk through it clearly so you can switch it on and off whenever you need. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into the file you want to work on. Once your design is open, take a look at the left side of the interface. That's the Layers panel, sometimes called the left sidebar. It lists your pages, frames, groups, and layers, and it's incredibly useful for organizing your work. But when you need extra space, it's just as helpful to hide it. There are a few simple ways to hide that sidebar. The most visual method is to use the small collapse control right on the edge of the left panel. Move your cursor to the border where the panel meets the canvas and look for a small icon or handle that indicates collapse. Click it and the sidebar will slide away, giving you more canvas to work with. If you prefer using the menu, go to the top bar and click View. In the View menu, look for the option that allows you to show or hide the left sidebar. Select that, and the sidebar will disappear. This is handy if you like to keep your hands on the mouse and navigate through menus. For the fastest method, use the keyboard. Press Ctrl+/ on your keyboard to toggle the sidebar. Tap it once to hide the sidebar and tap it again to bring it back. The shortcut acts like a switch, so you can quickly jump between a focused, full-width canvas and your normal workspace with layers visible. If you're on a different operating system, use the equivalent modifier key for your setup. When you're ready to bring the sidebar back using any method, just reverse what you did. Click the same collapse control again, use the View menu to show the sidebar, or press Ctrl+/ once more. It reappears exactly where you left it, with all your layers intact. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your design, find the left Layers panel, and hide or show it using the icon, the View menu, or the Ctrl+/ shortcut. With this quick toggle in your toolkit, you can maximize your workspace in seconds and stay focused on what matters most, your design.